Hello, this is Eric from labofcoding.com. In this video, look at the various built-in functions and operators that can be used for strings. On the left, I've opened an image which is a table of the various built-in functions and some operators that we can use on strings. And on the right, I have opened the Python 3 interpreter in interactive mode. First, we have a function len, which can be used to get the length of a string, and it can also be used on other data types, as we'll see in later videos. So first, let's create a string s. Let's say this is hello. So we can use the len function to get the length of that string. In this case, the length is 5. And we have the in operator, which can be used to which is a containment check. So you can check if a given element is found, and it will return a boolean, either true or false. For example, we can check if e is in that word hello. So we can check if e is in s. So this will return true because e is in hello. Then we can check for the string d. It returns false because d is not in hello. And we can use the plus operator for string concatenation, that is, you add two strings together. For example, we can concatenate the string s with exclamation mark, and we now have it concatenated together. And we can use this star for repetition, that we repeat a given string several times. For example, let's repeat the string s 3 times. So we have it repeated 3 times. And we can use indexes to access an element or a character in a string. And strings are 0 index, that is, they begin with 0. So h will be 0 index, e will be 1, l, the first l will be 2, and so forth. So for example, s, and let's access the first index, that will be 1. That one will give us e because e is on the first index. 0 will start at the beginning, but we can start at the end using -1. For example, if you want to access the second last string, the second last character in the hello string, that is l, we will use -2. So the last is -1, the second is -2, and so forth. So if you say s -2, that one will give us l, which is the second string from the second character from the end. And we can also get some substrings, that we can get some slices of that string, and the format is usually you can either pass the start index, the index to end, and the step that you'll be slicing. So the start index is inclusive, that is, it will be included, but the end index is not inclusive. For example, we can get the slice of the s string, let's say from the first index e to the, let's say, to 3. So we will start at index 1 inclusive, and we'll go to index 2, so index 3 will not be included. So in that case, index 1 will be e and index 2 will be l, so the output will be el. We can also use the full colon to copy a string as it is. So for example, let's say s, the hello string, and if we pass the full colon, we'll copy the full string as it is, so we'll just get hello. So those are some of the built-in functions and operators that you can use to work with strings. So that's it for this video. We'll pick it from here. Thanks for watching.